This is a story of redemption, of chasing a time goal I once failed, of bouncing back twice from injuries, and of the people who stood by me every step of the way. This is my journey to a sub 1 hour 10K. 10K sub 1, man! So July 6, 6:30 PM at nagpe-prepare na tayo ng gagamitin natin mamaya. So dito pa tayo sa Trinidad. Punta na sa Baguio para tumakbo. At ang aking supporter, number 1. Aww. And my ever-supporting girlfriend. Thank you for joining me for this new adventure. Object. 10K sub 1, baby. 1-6.
Pag 1 minutes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Medyo traffic guys. PPR kami. Let's go. It came down. That's 2K. That's 1K! That's 1K! Let's go! Let's go! Ayun na siya guys. Kapit na! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! Woo! PR! Sarap! Congrats lang natin ng ating bagong naka-PR. Sub 1, 59.46. PR mo rin, diba? 110. 1.6. Thank you for waiting for me. July 7, 2024, Hoka Leg 2, Baguio. I gave it everything, but I crossed the line over 1 hour. I was crushed, and just when I thought I'd bounce back, I was diagnosed with flat feet. Training slowed down, pain became a daily thing. Nagkaroon po tayo ng flexible flat foot at in-introduce tayo doon sa UA para mag-start for strength training. And ayun, nagkaroon na rin tayo ng mga drills agad. So magkakaroon tayo ng 6 sessions and hopefully I can run freely without pain. Medyo masakit nga lang. Thank you! I didn't give up. I studied. I trained smarter. For 3 months, I followed my chorus training plan daily, documented everything, rain or shine. This time, it was going to be different.
Sakit, may ligos ako.
Naligos tayo dito. Sakit, may ligos ako. Almost 3 months of continuous training, all is well up until 3 weeks before the race. I sprained my ankle. It felt like the dream was sleeping again. But thanks to Coach Franz, my PT who treated me aggressively day in and day out, we turned 3 weeks into a miracle. Forming that instrumented assisted soft tissue mobilization, nag-perform na tayo ng mga drills to activate yung peroneals na sa amin ni Coach. So, nagkaroon tayo ng mga single-legged drills. Ayan. So, okay naman. And hopefully, this coming May 4 is mabreak na natin yung 10K step 1. Sa May 4, Fit to Run Leg 1, Pampanga. See you!
Yo, good morning. So for today's program, magta-time trial na tayo. Today is special day kasi kasama natin si Mel. Nandito na yun. Sig! Alam mo, pre. Shoe check. Ang calves mo, pre. Yung lalaki. Warm up muna tayo, guys. Ay, jog muna. 5 minutes warm up. So yan, time trial tayo na 6:06 pace with Coach Mel. Tara.
So we're going to target 6 to 6:05 or 6:10 pace for 8 km time trial for Doc Brandon for his upcoming May 4. May 4 ba?
May more, oo. Fit to run. Tara, tara. Let's go. Focus lang tayo sa goal. 1K. 2K. 3K. Man. 4K. Dito na tayo. Let's go. 5K. Woo! Ito yung aid station si Men. Ang kasuportive ang coach ko. Minutes. Thank you. Let's go.
Maintain mo.
Good morning. Kobe. 6K, 7K, 1km to go. Let's go. Dash 200 meters. Woo! Dan, kamusta? Woo!
Nice one, friend. Isang mo pa nakakabuli ka.
Aking supporter, number 1.
To my girlfriend, Bobby Sandra, thank you for loving me through the highs and the injuries. To Doc Gemma,
My
family,
ever-supporting girlfriend.
thank you for joining me
Thank you
on the road.
for
You
joining me
reminded me why I ran.
for this
To Coach Mel,
new adventure.
thank you for believing me and guiding my training.
Minutes before gun time. Anong pace ang habol mo? Ilang oras mong tatakbuhin palit?
Ikaw, Terlin, how many minutes?
2 hours.
Ikaw, at Doc Gem.
2 hours.
You, Doc.
You'll never know.
Ikaw, ilang oras?
Hindi ko alam.
Ikaw ngayon, Sandra, ilang oras mo tatakbuhin?
2.
2 hours.
Ako, less than 1 hour.
Wow, that's
Confident.
Oo, siyempre. Doon tayo sa camera. Ay, sa mic. Ay, mirror. Never. Second. First gel. 30 minutes before the run. Okay, touchdown. Let's go. Oh no? Kaitan? Team Animal Land, oh. Oh. The Animals. No? Ganda na. Ha?
True Lily.
Sige, kaway-kaway lang! Ate po post po natin yan.
So today is the day na i-break natin ang 10K sa one barrier. So dito sa Pampanga gaganapin, Fit to Run. Let's go!
Nagiging network
Okay.
Oh, tapos marami din yung nagiging magkakaibigan dito kasi nga nagkakakilala sila dito.
Okay. Warm up! Sundan niyo ako. Hamstring sweep.
Pero baka iba ko ang ma-post
Ito.
mo picture mo. Puro
Sige,
kagasgas.
ayan o.
Ay, may reminder pala kanina si Papa
Sige.
Jainer.
Sige.
May mga
Dapat ma-feel nyo dito.
sa first station.
Ayan.
Huwag na po kayo mag-take out.
Sige.
Utang
2.
na loob. Tapos
8 sets.
huwag na po kami
3.
mag-tag.
Na, Perlin!
Kung saan nag-take out
4.
kayo. Oh, hindi po
5.
namin kinatutuwa yung pag-take out nyo.
6. 7.
Kasi sa totoo lang,
8. Close gate.
Tapos magpo-post kayo, isang
Okay.
box ang dala nyo.
Ayan. Okay.
So, Nikira,
Ano pa ba? Ito, sa upper.
Medyo mabawas po yung mga
Karandimag ka.
sa katawan natin.
At yung mga pawis ng Aurora
7, 8, 9, 10. Paunahin natin sila.
At pagkaya nila.
Ay, dami. Sobrang ingat ha. Enjoy the moment. Ay, maya. Di pa siya tumatakbo eh.
Mamaya nang tumatak mo. Mag-start yung 10K.
Ha?
Ito mag-start si
Ay, oo pala. Let's go.
Wait, back up. With a step back. When I come around, try and get back. It's that. Know that she into all of that. When I come around me, yeah, what get that. No one-liners, yeah, I know they can take that. Let me just live for the next show. Wait. Wow, you must go running this cool in this house. You getting funny, I know they're about. I'll be there fighting, I know about this route. You a shot to my heart, it's my girl like wow. You must go running this cool in this house. You getting funny, I know they're about. I'll be there fighting, I know about this route. You must wait.
1K. 1K at the pace of 5:17. Let's go.
Shot to my heart, it's my girl like wow. You must go running this cool in this house. You getting funny, I know they're about. I'll be there fighting, I know about this route. You a shot to my heart.
Let's go. Ako na guys. Let's go. Let's go. 3K. Let's go. Okay, still at pace. 5:34. Let's go. 4K. At the pace of 5:33. 5K. At the pace of 5:34. Oh, may hit natin 10K sa baba, guys. Bus. Tubig. Abangan natin sila. Pabalik na tayo eh. Downhill na. Kuhan tayo. Tipon. Nine K. Okay. Last 400 meters. Let's go. Push na. Woo. 10K sub 1, baby. Last 200 meters. Let's go. Who's gonna carry the boats? Woo. Let's go. Okay na. Good na. Woo. Let's go. After 3 months of hard work, nakuha din kita. 10K sub 1. Woo. Let's go. Oh.
10K sub 1. Let's go! Whoa! Whoa! Let's go! Ah! Ah! 10K sub 1. Kuha din kita, boy. Okay, thoughts on hitting 10K sub 1. Oh, siyempre, achievement ito as a runner. So, more than a year, consistently running. And now I am here. So, dito ba tayo nagtatapos? Or ito pa lang ang panimula? Next goal, sub 2 half marathon. Let's go!